Friday, July 21st, 7:27 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock markets closed. We just finished another full week. Stock markets made new highs of the year. We'll look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average stock index, which is one of the oldest stock indexes, as well as all 30 companies alphabetical order inside the index. So on the right, here we have the Dow Jones, made a new high for the year. Very nice. Let's look at it for 3 years. Last year's high here and prior. So the trend is up. Yep, up strong. New high for the year. Working its way up to these prior highs. That being said, let's look at the 30 companies and see if they're performing equal or better. So on the left is Apple, new high for the year. Outstanding. Close green. Amgen, stock symbol Alpha Mike Golf November. Here we go. Green for the week, higher high, higher low, but did not make a new high for the year, but did close green for the week. There's a low for the year. American Express, higher high, higher low. Again, here's the high for the year. So again, right now we're seeing if you bought the index, you'd be doing better than several stocks. So you don't need to go get creative, buy individual stocks necessarily. You can look at stock indexes. Next, Boeing. Here's Boeing. Red for the week, lower low, lower high. Caterpillar, almost at the high of the year. There's the high for the year. There we are. Salesforce, Charlie Romeo Mike, new high for the year. Outstanding. Cisco, new high for the year. Big bullish body. Look at that body engulf these candles. That's a seller locked off. All these traders are stuck if they're bearish, and this bull can gap that. Bullish engulfing candle, outstanding. Excuse me. Chevron, green for the week. Much closer to the low of the year. So here's the high for the year. It's not performing so good. Disney, new low for the year. Loser. Here's a high for the year. Here's a low for the year. Close red with a lower high, lower low. Big difference from the Dow, higher high, higher low. Again, simply buying the index, but beating, better forming than many of these individual stocks. Dow Chemical. Oh, here's the high for the year. Here we are down here. The trend's down still. Goldman Sachs, outstanding. Huge green candle. There's a high for the year. Home Depot. So we finally filled this gap back here. Let's remove these orange lines. Did make a new high from prior week, but it hasn't taken out the high of the year yet. Honeywell, inside candle for the week. It also took out the swing high from some time ago. Yep, interesting. Inside candle indecision. Potential reversal going back down. IBM, outstanding, big candle. But again, hasn't taken out the high of the year yet. Intel. Nope. Made a new high several weeks ago, but here, still lower. So again, the Dow is performing better than Intel. Johnson & Johnson, huge trading range, super gulf. Wow. Here's the high for the year. Again, it's performing very well since it broke out of this consolidation. Again, still not the high of the year yet. JP Morgan, same thing. Big green candle for the week. There's the high for the year. McDonald's, new high for the year. Interesting. So you have these high-tech companies like I showed you. Intel, also those big banks, not necessarily hitting highs of the year, but McDonald's hit a high for the year. Wow. 3M, green for the week, higher high, higher low, but much closer to the low of the year. Merck, look at that, trend is down there. Microsoft, new high for the year, outstanding. Nike, no surprise, retail. Yep, here, They're the lows of the year. Not good. Excuse me. Procter Gamble, green for the week. Broke above this consolidation. There's a high for the year. Travelers Insurance 2. There's a high for the year. This big engulfing candle. Uniform, November Hotel. United Health, huge move up since coming off this bottom. There's a high for the year. Visa, red for the week, but made a higher high, higher low. Verizon, new low for the year, loser. Whiskey Bravo Alpha, green for the week, still in consolidation there, the low of the year. And Walmart, green for the week, in this consolidation, almost at the high of the year. So the takeaway is, majority of the Dow 30 stocks have not made new highs for the year. First, the index. The index, outstanding new high for the year again. Excuse me. So simply buying the index has proven to be better than searching out for the individual companies. Very well. So again, Apple, Microsoft, new highs, which we saw several of them. Verizon, Disney, new lows for the year. Big difference. The top 5 to the top bottom losers. Yep. So again, this index could be performing better if they got rid of these losers and replaced them with better companies. Time will tell. That happens every so often. They adjust the indexes. So let's open this back up and finish it here. Again, looking at the index, the Dow Jones 30, very close, taking out the high of last year, which is here, this yellow horizontal line. And then this yellow horizontal line here, the high of 2022. All potential moves that could occur this year.